Good morning everyone, and for today's skincare product I picked the body scrub because I know it went on sale last week. I had the body lotion covered, but I didn't have a video on the body scrub, so I thought I will cover it this week. Body scrub is a product that you can use, like I would say anywhere from 1 to 3 max, not more than that, because it helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells, so you don't want to anytime overwork on it. Because if you don't exfoliate, for example, if you are someone who put moisture after you take your shower, like body lotion or anything, then they won't get absorbed really well if you don't exfoliate frequently. So when you have dead skin cells, you will have like dry patches and dryness, so this is going to help you to avoid those things. It's going to help what is like soften and smoothen the skin, even the toughest parts like your knees and elbows, where you frequently get what is like a dry patch or dryness mostly. So if you keep doing the exfoliation once or twice a week, in a due course of time you can see those it's not like what is like too much scaling in those areas. You can use it even on your feet, if you are someone who has like callus, and if you are having like a cracked feet, make sure you do it on your feet too. And like most of our products, it for every skin type, so you can use all over your body, and people with from what is it, like a normal to oily skin, or even a dry skin, anyone can use it. See, our body skin is made up of into different layers, so the process takes place as if the new skin cells occur in the what is it, like innermost layer, and they come out, and then they become the dead skin cells. So in that process, if you don't eliminate the dead skin cells, that's when, whether it's our face or our body, that's when you will see like a dullness. You don't you will see patchiness, you won't see like a smooth skin. Instead, it's going to be rough skin patches. So that is the reason we constantly advise you to exfoliate, but 1 or 2 times itself is works wonders with this product. The main ingredient here is the volcanic ash, which is the is from the Vanuatu, which is from the South Pacific region. If you see, it's already there in our normal to oily line cleanser, and also in our resurfacer, which is our top selling product, and it's like one of our wow product. That's what we call it, because even with just one use, you will see your skin becoming like what is it, like smooth, and you can immediately feel the difference once you exfoliate. So that is going to be here as a key component. So that way, when you exfoliate, what is it, like the skin, if you have like ingrown hairs or even blackheads around in different areas, for example, if people who shave constantly, they may see that ingrown hair more, or it's closed because of the oily production. Then if you keep exfoliating, you will see the reduction in those. Volcanic ash actually has the capability to absorb any impurities in general. That's why it works wonders when you apply on top, and what is it, like use it, because it's going to attract all those impurities and make you feel more clean. Actually, volcanic ash is broken down into different size of particles. For example, the cleanser may have like a very finer particle, whereas the resurfacer will have a medium size, whereas the scrub will obviously have a bigger size of particles, because it's meant to be used all over the body. So it is little more what is it, like bigger particles compared to the cleanser. Actually, the key what is it, like advantage of the volcanic ash is it can absorb twice its weight of impurities. For example, if it is 1 pound, it can attract 2 pounds of impurities. So it's very cool to understand. So the other key component is obviously our kinetic enzyme Senaplex complex. So it's like an anti-aging benefit. It's not only a scrub, it's going to be having our anti-aging benefits to it. So that way you get 23.3% of increase in cellular renewal. Actually, it has shea butter as an ingredient too. So one thing I like about Senegen's products is even though when they cleanse, they still put back the moisture in. For example, it is applies to all our what is it, like the cleansers, because they don't design something that can strip down the oils. Instead, they make sure that it balances out. So that way, when you use a product like this, it is not like drying you out. Instead, you feel more moisturized. For example, that happens with our detox mask too. When you apply itself, after some time you can feel that your skin cells are nice and hydrated. Even though it pulls the impurities for detoxing purpose, it's still going to put back the moisture at the same time. Also has like a cocoa butter from a cocoa seed, that is again going to help in moisturizing, and also has coconut oil in it. So each ingredient, if you dig into and see the purpose behind it, you will appreciate the product really more. So when it comes to Senegen's products, we always make sure you have like a damp skin before you apply the product. That applies to your cleansers, your resurfacer, or anything, because that way most of the products are concentrated. So you will squirt a little and add water to it. I think it applies to our shampoo too. So you have to have like a wet hair before you apply it. Same way, once you have like a damp skin, then apply a small amount of it, add a bit of water, and then emulsify it in your hand, and then rub it all over your body. Use like a circular motion and just gently rub against it. Don't put too much pressure on it, and also make sure you concentrate on the harsh areas like the knees and elbows a little more. And it's 4 ounces, that is 118 ml. As I said, you are going to just use like a tiny amount. Most of Senegen's products, you always start with a pea size and dime size, not more than that. So take a small amount and work your way towards it. That way you will know how much, because the earlier days you may need a little more, but if you're constantly exfoliating, then it will start to reduce as you go further. So make sure you use the right amount. So the body wash, lotion and scrub make a perfect gift if you are gifting someone too, because it is something they can use every day and appreciate. So that's all for today's video. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.